Mga clear na salvation verses number 34 sa Galatians 3:10 to 11. Basahin natin. For as many as are of the works of the law are under the curse, for it is written, Cursed is everyone who does not continue in, but that no one is justified by the law in the sight of God is evident, for the just shall live by faith. So, sinasabi dito ni Apostle Paul na kung sinasabi mo na ang kabanalan mo ay through the works of the law or pag-obey or pagsunod sa law ni Moses, you are under the curse. Kaya nga sabi dito, kino-quote niya, Cursed is everyone who does not continue in. So kung hindi mo na perfect ito, ibig sabihin, nagkasala ka, cursed ka. Kaya nga, kino-conclude niya na walang madideclare na righteous sa pamamagitan ng pagsunod sa law ni Moses sa mata ng Diyos. Yan ha. Kaya nga sabi niya dito, the just shall live by faith. So, yung declared na righteous ay mamumuhay through faith, believe, or trust kay Lord Jesus Christ.